And here we go again, live at 5. Welcome to Janny Thermal Crazy Kitchen. And today we are going to talk about my favorite Mixshop items. So often I get the question, oh Janny, do I need anything else? The answer is no. All right, your Thermomix is an all-inclusive offer and it comes with everything that you need to get you start cooking. This is not about the needs, this is about the wants. So let me walk you through a couple of my favorite Mixshop items. I've got them all laid out here for you. So if you want to have a look around in my kitchen, there's quite a lot going on here. And today I'm going to take you on a tour. So I hope it's not too, unsteady and wobbly, but let's just go with it, all right? Okay, let's get started. So I've tried to categorize the Mixshop items a little bit. And we're going to get started, with my first category, and that is the Varoma category. So I've showed you all of these items already in my Varoma Life at 5. And we talked about all the benefits of that. So my favorite one out of these, I would say, is the tray. It's a metal tray, and it sits into the Varoma top tray, and not only helps me with the steaming, but it's also so versatile. I could even use it as a serving plate. So I like that it has multiple functionalities, and it's not plastic for a change. But really second best is the Varoma sheets because they help me with the cleaning. And as you know, I'm all about the ease. Okay, next category is my baking. And you've seen me using the baking mat quite a couple of times in my other videos, in my YouTube videos. So this is also a great mat for not only for the doughs to prepare, but a preparation mat in general, a silicone, and you can even put it in the dishwasher. It's always a major selling point for me. And a little sister of the baking or the bread mat, the preparation mat, is the oven mat. So it's smaller, has a little bit a different weaving inside, can go straight into the oven and replaces the baking paper. I love these bowl scrapers here in particular because they are really good for working on your mat without cutting them. But there is a new kit on the block, and this is this silicone tray. So that has a steel frame, and as you can see, and you can see my fingers when I hold them from underneath, so it's flexible. So very versatile again, once more. You can even make an omelette in there if you like. So absolutely my top favorite from the baking section when it comes to the mats. Goes without saying, these cracker rollers, so grissini roller and cracker roller, super helpful when you want to make your own crackers. All you need to do then on your mat, you just roll over them and bob's your uncle. So when you're into bread making, then you will absolutely love our sourdough proving baskets here. There's another dough scraper that's out of metal. So don't use that on the mat, use that straight on your kitchen bench. That helps you with the shaping. A really good one is the bread tin, but it's currently out of stock. So just watch the Mixshop, watch that space, they're really great. And to keep your bread fresh, also the bread bag. All right, so if bread's not your thing, but you're into cakes, then you will like the next category, cake decorating. And here we have multiple options for you. There is the disposable piping bags, and there's also the reusable piping bag. I love that one in particular because it does have separate toppings that I can use for different shapes that I want to do. And obviously that I can clean it and reuse it, so I don't not throwing things away. But here comes the thing. So a hack could be that you use the disposable bags and fill them inside the reusable one, so you can have the shapes of the toppings here as well. Just a food for thought. And I saw some really nice unicorn piping going on, or rainbow piping. We have all the different colors in the different disposable bags, and put them all together in one, in the large green one. And yeah, so you get the idea. But maybe I can find the link and I show you. All right, moving on with the cake decoration. There's different spatulas available, and also a cake tray, like a cake stand that you can use it like a turntable for the cake decorating. So if that's something you're after, then definitely have a look around in the Mixshop. All right, next category over here is the rose gold baking series. And I can't point which one's my favorite. I love all of them. So this is one big favorite. And if you ever get the chance to hold one of those rose gold trays, you will see that you will feel the difference straight away. They're really heavy, and they're all coated with a non-sticky surface. And what's best when you sit in it, well, when you stand in the kitchen, you try to create something beautiful, and you make a muffin, and by the time you're trying to get it out of the tin, half of it sticks still in the tin. Oh, no, we don't want that to happen. So I never had experienced that with the rose gold trays in here. They basically, after you finish the baking, they just come and fall out. Similar to the Varoma trays, they're also pre-cut linings or parchment papers available for the small and for the 23 round ones available. So again, everything that makes life easier, that's for me. All right, coming back to this table here. If you are into yogurt or ice cream making, ice cream molds, seriously, that's such an easy thing to do. Make your own ice cream, store your ice cream in these Tovolo containers there. Absolutely beautiful. If you make yogurt, you can also make yogurt ice cream. What else do we have? I absolutely love this vacuum sealer, and because it's just a handful, right? It's a mini one. You can reload it with a USB cable that comes with it, right, this way, and you can hear it. It sucks the air out of the bag. And there are special bags available with that. These ones here, they have this orange fold there on top, and they are reusable. That's what I love most about them. So not only that you can store items in there and keep them for longer, like a bag of nuts or basically anything really, but you can use them for sous vide, and afterwards you can use them for storage, and the valve's still there. So they're definitely going to my favorite category. All right, now we're coming to the yogurt making category. We talked about that already when we featured the Varoma. So the white one, and I just double checked, it's actually not available on a Mixshop anymore. It was until lately. Now it's purely a host reward. So I'm very sorry that I'm teasing you right now with the white thermos server that fits into the Varoma to make your own yogurt, but no longer available in the Mixshop. Might come back, we don't know, but the yogurt jars definitely are, and the white thermos server is still a host reward. So reach out to your consultant or to me if you want to think about hosting a cooking experience, and I tell you all the details what's involved. And for the smaller portions and individual sizes, then you can use the glass jars. They are also great to use as spice jars. They come then with a separate lid and even labels that you can put on. So definitely favorite category is this beauty here, the oil mister. I just like it. Well, it actually goes together with my other category, which is the barbecue category. So what I really like about this moister is when we are using the barbecue, that I don't use too much oil, so I can just really dose that to my liking. Top favorite is the meter. The meter is my smart connected barbecue item, so to speak. So it takes completely out the guessing game out of my grilling. So when's the chicken done? The meter will absolutely tell me when it's done. So that's connecting to an app and works pretty much the same way like the Thermomix. It calls you when it's done. Put it that way. What I love about the grilling section here as well is that barbecue mat. You pop that straight onto the grill, and it's like a non-sticky surface. So when you have, for example, your skewers sitting in there, they just don't stick to the grill, and you can easily turn them around. And what I also really like about these skewers here, so I have to do this one-handed. So imagine you have that all filled up with vegetables and pieces of meat or fish. Then by the time they're done, you can just swipe this down and have the food away from the skewers there. And another great bonus, what I like about this mat, it is dishwasher safe. You can fold it together, so this is double now, fold it and pop it in the dishwasher. All about the ease, I told you. We talked about the cleaning category already, so my brushes, I think they're absolute must for keeping your Thermomix bowl clean. I very often point out that these long neck silicone spatulas absolutely make it on my top 10 list, because they have a long neck, so I can go all the way to the bottom without my fingers having to touch the dirty ball. That's me. And this one here, you will see me using that in my videos, in my YouTube videos, or in my virtual cooking experiences a lot. I love that stylus pen because when we do the cooking, we all know you get dirty fingers, they're wet, and then this stylus pen just helps me to keep my screen from the TM6 clean, and it recognizes the touches really better. Also, I find it easier to type in a recipe using the little keyboard symbols. They come up there with this stylus pen there. Right, what is left? Definitely also this cupcake pen. Comes in different colors as well, so mine's purple by accident, I guess. Why do I love this one? Because it's called cupcake pen, but you can, again, need to do this one-handed. So my camera is always the other way around. So as you can see, it has a nozzle there, so that's all silicone and flexible. And here we go. And you can, why is this not working? Sorry, this way. So it has a screw there on the bottom and also on the top. And so I use that also for pancakes, for example. You just easily dribble them inside, or to fill my muffin pans over there, even the small one, the little ones. But I also use it when I make my curry pastes and I want to fill them into individual little Ziploc bags and put them in the freezer. Then I can weigh all the individual portions with my cupcake pen straight into the Thermomix. So I put the Ziploc bag in the Thermomix, and then I fill them here and have all with the right sizes in there. Okay, so this was an overview and run through my favorite Mixshop items. If there's anything that you want, don't forget, it's all about wants, then easiest way to take you to the Mixshop is find the shop now button up here somewhere. If you click on it, just be mindful there is a Thermomix already in the cart. If you don't want to buy a Thermomix straight away or a second one, that's fine. Just take it out of the cart and you will see if there's a gift with purchase attached that will, if you take the Thermomix out, that will not be free anymore. So take the gift with purchase out as well, unless you want it, okay? And then you can add all these beautiful items directly into your shopping cart. One final thing I want to mention, you can see is quite a lot that I have here. We as consultants usually don't buy this, we earn it. So if that's something you go like, oh, this is great, I love stuff, I love gadgets, then have a chat with me. So we usually earn this as incentives or a part of the commission. And yeah, so have a chat with me about becoming a consultant if you want to. Just reach out with the contact details that are on my Facebook page and we can have a chat. So think about it. You could potentially join my team and work with me. How's that? All right, that's enough for me for today. And we will see you again tomorrow for my last Life at 5 session planned. So far, we'll probably come back to that at a later stage. And tomorrow is all about cookie dough. I'll show you around cookie dough. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Give me a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like this one and if you want to see more of this too. Bye.